Yes.
The fire's gonna get me.
Wait.
Hashtag.
Hi you guys, we're having a bonfire and we're having lots of fun and it's not cold. Hot. And then I'll take you on the ride of my scooter. Yeah. Oh! This is my scooter. And I'm going to take you on the ride. Let's see the tires. Woo! Those are my tires on my scooter. And it's dark back here. Let's go back in the light. See? So, it's pretty cool. I like it. And there's the flowers. I got them. And then there's a little birdhouse. Look. Let's see. Little birdhouse with little seeds in it. Like this. Little tiny seeds. That's my scooter. And I know how to ride it pretty well. That was a motorcycle. That was a motorcycle. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. So, sorry I haven't been putting any vlogs up this week at all. I will be doing one tomorrow and probably Sunday or Monday. Oh yeah, I was going to show you the stars, look. Oh, it's not, you can't really see them, but there's stars up there. And then there's a palm tree. See, palm tree. And the flowers. But there are stars, you just can't see them. And they're so pretty. So, yeah. Well, then I will, hang on. I'll get you closer to the fire. I'm going to take my dad's seat. Hopefully he doesn't get mad at me. Okay, there's a fire. And we actually took that out of the washer. And, yeah, so we took that out of the washer. And my dad had this idea of using it as a fire pit. And it's a pretty good idea. And it works pretty well. That's supposed to be my chair, but it's not. So, yeah, I love it. And I will see you guys later if I do something cool. I have an idea. Daddy. Well, you're not standing up. Well, I'll just sit here. Ah, it's coming towards me. Why is it coming towards me? There it is. It's so pretty. I love it so much. Sorry, that's my dad. It's disgusting. Okay, well, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.